Hi, I am Seema Sirohi. I have done my masters from Azim Premji University in 2015 batch. After completing my masters, I have worked for multiple organization in development sector for almost 9 years. Presently, I am working for Tata Institute of Social Science, where I design and implement interventions for teacher professional development. In my entire journey of working professional in education domain, Azim Premji University learning has contributed significantly, not in terms of understanding the perspective behind education, but also learning the skills which are required or fundamental for improving the aspect of quality education. When I started learning about education in Azim Premji University, philosophy of education and sociology of education became fundamental courses to understand the reality, value system of education, which reflected throughout in my education journey. Apart from that, like courses such as like curriculum design, pedagogy courses in social science, language learning, helped me to understand the reality of big vision of education reflected in the textbook and how we can make it better. These courses were not just telling us what needs to be done, they were also instrumental in developing our skills to what and how we can change the education system and practices. When I think about other courses which shaped my present reality instrumentally, there was a course called Approaches to Changes Education Practices, which helped me to understand if you believe in something, how these principles reflects in your intervention design in education. So for example, right now if you want to develop some program for teacher professional development, what are the micro and macro aspect of education you should prioritize, which should reflect in teacher professional development interventions. There were other courses such as like education policy and governance, economics of education, which does not even talk about larger vision of education, but also make us aware about the reality of public finance, how it contributes to seeing education on ground, why our school system are like the way they are, and how we can improve it. So far, fundamentally, all these courses has helped me professionally, not in terms of understanding the system we work in, but also how we can make it better. Apart from that, the rigorous amount of work we have done, not just on like school in terms of understanding the theory, but also in practicums where we used to go to multiple types of school. For example, low fee private schools, international schools, high fee private schools, and government schools to see what we have studied in theory, how does it get reflected in different types of school. So this practicum aspects also kept us close with the realities as well as the theoretical aspect, build our understanding to look further beyond than what we are seeing presently. When it comes to the present experience, I think Azim Premji University contributed a large amount of not just like building in my knowledge perspective, but building a network of people where I still learn from. So there are my friends who are working in different aspect of social development sectors whom I can contact and like learn from, and I continues to do that even now. Another fascinating aspect about the university campus life is it's not just like you can focus on one particular aspect of your work, which is education, but there were other courses which were open for all the students who are interested in. So when I was in my masters, I have not just done courses which are available for development. I was auditing that. Apart from that, like we had open courses which had very unique subjects. So for example, I have done my open course in Ramayana and Mahabharata in contemporary times. So it did not just like made us aware about like what Ramayana and Mahabharata was, but also gave a different perspective to have fun in the campus life, as well as have a different taste of our religious document. Apart from that, campus has many activities, but I think one important aspect which I want to talk about is student support. Many of us, our friends, are not from this education sector. They did not understand what was philosophy of education, but the university faculty as well as the support team help us to understand, okay, this will be a slow journey and you will learn through it. And the student support team always made us very comfortable. I thank Azim Premji University for the entire support system they have created for the students, be it from providing the right kind of perspective to understand the education, also the right kind of perspective to become a good professional who continues to learn. Thank you, Azim Premji University.